Welcome to another SharePoint Series 2 video, and today we're going to be focusing on embedding Power Apps onto our SharePoint site. For those of you who don't know, Power Apps are mobile or tablet applications that are designed in Microsoft Office 365. These applications can be used for many business functions. For example, the one that we're going to create and make is a template for a help desk application. Please see the screen as we create this template. We'll have other videos focusing on this topic, but for now, we're just gonna quickly save this application and apply it to our SharePoint. We'll then grab the link for the SharePoint site and give access to everyone within the business. Make sure that they can access this new application that we've created. We will then return to the SharePoint site we want to add the Power App to in edit mode. We'll select one of our columns, change the column option, and then add a web part and select Power App. We'll then paste in the Power App. With Power App, we have options to show the border or not to show it. We also have adjustment options. When you're ready, click on Publish. Full functionality of the Power App will be available in SharePoint. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, goodbye.